Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing old polish and washing hands to eliminate oils. Once done, shape nails with a file and push cuticles back so polish sits cleanly. Apply a thin base coat to protect the nail and improve adhesion. Make sure to seal the free edge with the base coat. Wait about 60 to 90 seconds until tacky but not wet. This step prevents staining and helps polish last longer, so don't rush but keep layers thin for even drying. You want controlled brush loads. Pick up polish and wipe excess so the brush holds 0, 5 to 1 stroke of product. Start with a center stroke from base to tip, then paint the 2 side panels. This keeps edges neat and reduces flooding at the cuticle. Once the first coat looks even, wait 2 to 3 minutes until it's set, then add a second thin coat for full opacity. Make sure strokes meet at the tip to seal the edge and minimize chipping. You finish by applying a fast-drying top coat immediately after the color is set. Stroke one thin layer and run the brush across the tip to seal. If polish touches skin, clean edges with a small brush dipped in remover right away so lines stay crisp. Allow full cure for 10-15 minutes. Avoid water for 30 minutes. If a nail is thick or smudged, soak the tip briefly in remover, let the nail recover. Then repeat color and top coat on that single nail to restore a flawless finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.